Hello everyone. Now we'll go through the chapter 1 exercise 3rd. First question, find the product of that integer numbers. So we will solve out this product, that means multiplication of the integer numbers. So first one is 3 multiplied by minus 1, so 3 ones are 3, and here is nothing, that means we will apply here plus sign, so plus minus minus. For the second one, here we have 21 into 30, so it's become 630, and sign, so minus minus plus, so it will be a positive 630. In the next one, if you multiply 0 with any of the number, it always becomes 0. We need not to calculate that number. Then for this one, if I multiply 9 with the 3, so it will become 27 plus minus minus 27, and it will get multiplied with the minus 6 in the next step. So 27 multiplied by 6, so I will get 162, minus minus plus, so it will become plus, that means in positive. Next, here I will first multiply with this two number, so 18 multiplied by 5, so I will get 90, and minus minus plus, so the 90 will be in positive. Then multiply by minus 4, so 90 will be multiplied by 4, so I will get 360, but it is positive 90 and it is negative, so plus minus minus, so I will get minus 360. And the next one, multiply of these two one is 6 3 ja 18, and minus minus plus, so I will get plus 18, and multiply of these two number 2 1 ja 2, and minus minus plus, so I will get plus 2, and here both have between multiplication sign, so I will apply that, and 18 2 ja 36, so I will get plus 36 in the answer. Now question 2, verify the following numbers or the equations. So this will be a left hand side of the equal sign, and this will be a right hand side of the equal sign. So let's solve that left hand side first. So 18 multiplied by, as per the BODMAS rules, we will calculate that bracket first. So 7 plus minus minus 3. So 18 multiplied by 7 minus 3, so I will get 4. So 7 minus 3, so I will get 4. So 4 multiplied by 18, so I will get 72. Now we proceed for the right hand side. So 18 into, as per the BODMAS, I will solve out this first bracket. So 18 into 7, I will get 126, plus for this bracket we have 18 into minus 3. If I solve that 18 with the minus 3, so I will get minus 54. 18 3 is a 54, and plus minus minus, so that's by minus 54. 126 plus minus minus 54. So from the 126, if I subtract 54, so I will get 72. That means both have same answer, so we can say that it verify. Now for the question B, this will be our left side and this will be our right side. So here also minus 21 multiply by this bracket. So first of all I will solve out this bracket. So minus 4 and plus minus minus 6. So minus 21 multiply by minus minus plus, so it will become 10, and sign of bigger is minus, so it will be a minus 10. So 21 into 10, so it become 210, and minus minus plus, so it will become positive 1. Now for the right hand side, if I solve out this first bracket, so I will get 21 into 4, so 84, and both are minus minus, so minus minus plus 84. Here we have positive sign between these two bracket, and here is second bracket. So 21 multiplied by 6, so I will get 126, and minus 21 and minus 6, that means minus minus plus, that means plus 126. So here if I open out this bracket, so I will get 84 plus 126. So after adding this 84 and 126, I will get 210 in the form of positive. So left side and right side both are equal. So I can say that verify that both sides. Now for the question 3. In the first of this third question is that for any integer a, what is minus a into a equal to? That means if I multiply minus 1 with any of the integer, it's called a. If I multiply any of the integer with the minus 1, so what will I get? So simple, minus plus minus, and a ones are a. That means I will get always a opposite of that number, that means opposite of that integer. In the second one, it say that determine the integers whose product with minus 1 is. That means if I multiply minus 1 with any of the number, so I will get 22. That means what number will I get multiplied with the minus 1? So in the answer I will get minus 22. So here I will multiply 22. So minus plus minus, so I will get here minus sign, and 21 to 21 ones are 21, so it is 21, so I will get here minus 22. Next, minus 1, what should I multiply with the minus 1? So I will get plus 37. So simple, I will multiply here minus 37, because minus minus plus and 37 ones are 37. In the last, what should I multiply with the minus 1 to get 0? It's simple. If I multiply any of the number with the 0, so I will get 0. And 0 has no any sign. That means 0 is not positive, not negative. That means it is a neutral. Here in the question 5, find the product using its property. So we have discussed lastly the properties whichever we have used here. So here 26 into minus 48 and plus 48 into 36. So we can say that if I get common 48 from this both group, minus 48 I get common from this both groups, so in the bracket I will get 26 plus minus 36. So here is this have distributed over minus 48 and 26 plus minus minus 36 and minus 48 will get distributed over 26 and 36, but we will solve these brackets. We can say that 26 and minus 36, so I will get here minus 10 and minus minus plus, so I will get 418 positive form. But question is that which property is used here? So we have used here distributive property of multiplication over addition. In the second one, here we have 8 multiplied 53 into 125 in the minus. So what property will we use? So we will use here association of multiplication. There's all numbers are in multiplication form, so we'll make here association of that numbers. So 53 multiplied by this number, so it become an 1000, but plus minus minus, it become an minus 1000, and minus 1000 multiplied with the 53, so it become 53,000 plus minus minus, so it will be in minus. In the C, 15 into minus 1 minus 25 and minus 4 multiply minus 10. So here we can use the regrouping of that numbers. That means if I collect 25 and 4 with here, so for the easiness of the calculation, nothing else, so minus 25 with the minus 4, so 25 4s are 100 and plus minus minus, it will become plus 100. Here again multiply and 15 multiplied by 10, so I will get 150 and plus minus minus. So 100 multiplied by minus 150, so I will get 15,000 and plus minus minus 15,000 with the using the property of regrouping. Here 41 multiply 102, so we can simply multiply these both number, or we can say that which property we will use here. So we have made here sum of change. That means minus 41 as it is, and 102 we will have it two part. 100 plus 2 it also become an 102, so we will have parted here. So what we can say is that 41 distributed over 100 and for the 2, that means 41 multiplied by 100, so it become 41 100 and minus plus minus. Here we have plus signs, we will apply here plus and minus 41 into 2, so 82 in the plus minus minus, so minus form. So minus 41 0 plus minus minus 82, so minus minus plus, so its minus, its answer will be in minus, is this minus 4182. Now for the sixth question. Before going to the sixth question, whichever question I have not done here, is this for your practice or for the homework? In the sixth question, a certain freezing process required that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process being. That means now present temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and I need to decrease the temperature at rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. And I will repeat this process till the 10 hours. That means up to 10 hours I will decrease the temperature at interval of 5 degrees Celsius every 1 hour. So simple we calculate temperature decrease in 1 hour is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So in 10 hours it will simply 50 degrees Celsius will be decreased. So now present temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and after 10 hours it will be a 50 degrees Celsius. It also in decrease form, so we will subtract it. So after 10 hours I will get minus 10 degree Celsius temperature. Now for the 7th question. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. That means in the class test there is a 10 question. If you answer it correct, you will get 5 marks, and if you give answer incorrect, so you will deduct it by minus 2 marks. And if you did not attend, if you not attend that question, so you will get 0 in that question. So by answering the correct answer, you will get plus 5, for incorrect for the minus, and if not attend, so you will get 0. So here Mohan get 4 correct answer. Correct answer, that means this correct. I will make the 3 groups: correct answer plus incorrect answer plus not attended. So I'll get final result of that whole test. This is correct answer. So how many correct answers is that? So there is a 4 correct answer. So I will multiply here 4 and 5 marks for the 4 question. So 4 and 5 in the multiplication form. Then 6 incorrect answer. There is a 6 incorrect answer. That means 6 answer will get minus 2 marks each. So what is his score? But he have not attended, that means there is a 0 in that not attending any question. So if I solve out 5 4 the 20 plus 6 2 the 12, so it's minus 12, and plus minus minus, so its final is 8 marks. For the Reshma, get 5 correct answer, 5 incorrect answer, and there is no anything for the not attending. For the Reshma, 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So 5 is a 25 plus 5 to the 10 is minus 10. So here 25 minus 10, so is there 15 marks. She have got 15 marks in that test. Now for the Hina get 2 correct answer, 5 incorrect, and 7 questions she attempts. That means she have not attended is 3 question. She have not attended that 3 question. So here 5 to the 10, it's for the correct answer, and 5 to the 10 for the incorrect answer, and 3 multiplied by 0, that means 0. So 10 plus minus minus 10 and plus 0, so its final score is 0. So Ina have get 0 in your exam. In question 8, a cement company earned a profit of rupees 8 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. So, in first case to study, company sells 3000 bags of white cement and sold 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So, let's start that calculating that first case is on selling white cement they earn 5 rupees profit. That means we will show it in plus numbers. In grey cement they will suffer loss of 5 rupees, so we will show it in minus number. So selling of white cement, so number of white cement they sold is 3000 bags and profit per bag is 8 rupees. So let's calculate. So we will get 24,000. 14,000 rupees they will earn by selling the white cement of 3,000 bags. And now for the selling of grey cement, on selling grey cement they suffer loss of 5 rupees, so we'll show it by minus 5, and they have sold 5,000 bags of grey cement. So by calculating we will find that minus 25,000 rupees, that means loss of 25,000 rupees by selling grey cement bag. Simply they will suffer loss because loss amount is higher than the profit. So minus 25,000 and 24,000 rupees was profit. So net loss, we can calculate this by net loss, or so you will find here minus 1000 rupees in loss. So by doing this they have to suffer by the loss of 1000 rupees. In the second case, what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have the neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey cement sold is 6400. So in this they don't want loss or not profit, but they have sold 6400 bags of the grey cement. So we can calculate that by 64, 100 multiplied by minus 5. That means they have to suffer the loss of minus 5 rupees per bag, and they have sold 6,400 bags, so they will lost 32,000 rupees. So in front of this loss, or in comparing this loss, how many white cement bag they have to sold to not getting loss or not profit. So by calculating they are suffering the loss of 32,000 rupees. So you can say that white cement bag be sell at 8 rupees of profit. So we calculate 32,000 rupees upon 8. So we will find that 4,000 bags they have to sell. So they will not get not profit or not loss. In the question 9, fill up to make that statement true. So Minus 3 multiplied by what number will I multiply to get 27? So 3 nines are 27, but I have 27 in positive, so minus minus plus, that means I have to multiply that number by the minus 9. The next one, 5 sevens are 35, but 35 is in minus, so I have to write it minus, so it becomes plus minus minus. In the C, 56, so 7 8s are 56, so plus or minus 7, so we can say that plus minus minus, so it is a plus 7 is in our answer. In the D, dash multiplied by minus 12, so there is a 11 12s are 132, but 132 is in positive, so I have to write this minus 11 in positive number, so minus 11 multiplied by minus 12, I will get 132.